Hey everybody. Quick video here. I was going to fly the drone today here over the RV park. Get you guys an aerial view of this place. It's so big, that's about the only way to do it. But there's been plenty of air traffic today. I'd be limited to 50 feet into a pretty confined area, so just not worth the risk. Watch the rest of this and I'll show you some of the other stuff that's been up in the sky today.